Oh dear, Mommy Pig. Look at all of this mess.
There's so much rain and mud. Do you think they will cancel the festival?
Look at all of this rain and mud. This is the best day ever.
It looks like the rain is stopping, Peppa and George. Let's make sure the festival is still a go.
All clear, family. Let's enjoy this muddy mess.
This looks so fun. Come on, George. Let's get to our first station. Hello, Madame Gazelle.
Well, hello, Peppa and George. Welcome to the Muddy Mess Painting Station. Are you ready to have a muddy fun time?
Yes, please.
Great! What you'll do is dip your paintbrush into the mud, and then you can paint whatever creation you would like on the canvas. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first, Madame Gazelle. I love painting.
Okay, Peppa. Dip your paintbrush into the mud and give it a go.
Here I go. I'm all finished. Can you tell what it is?
It looks like a beautiful muddy sunshine, Peppa. Wonderful job.
I'm hoping for lots of sunshine when this wonderful Muddy Mess Festival is over with.
Wiggle!
Eagle!
Play!
Now it's George's turn to make a beautiful creation. Come on, George. Get some mud on your brush.
Ooh! Muddy! I can't wait to see what George is going to paint. It's a G for George!
What wonderful creations, George and Peppa. Thanks for joining us at the Muddy Festival Painting Station. Your next station awaits, so head on over.
Come on, George. Let's see what's next.
Hello, Peppa and George. Welcome to the Mud Castle Station.
Mud castles? Oh, that's my favorite! This is gonna be so great!
Take a seat, pick a bucket and shovel you'd like to use, and get to digging and scooping.
Here we go! This sure is a muddy mess. Alright, I'm ready to flip it over. Here it goes! Whoa! Look at my mud castle! It's your turn, George. Dig, dig, dig. Scoop, scoop, scoop. All done! Ta-da! Great job, George. Let's make some more with all of our friends.
Wow, you kids sure know how to make some great mud castles. All right, Peppa and George, it's time for you to head to your next station. Peppa and George, what do you tell Mr. and Mrs. Roo?
Thank you! Come on, George. Let's go see what's next.
Wow, we get to ride four-wheelers in the mud.
Peppa and George, you must be very careful on this equipment. It can be quite dangerous, especially when muddy.
Okay. Come on, George. Let's get ready to ride. We're all buckled in and ready to go.
Be careful, kids.
Whee! Oh no, George fell off. Are you okay, George? Fun!
It's not going to be fun if you fall off again and get hurt. Be more careful, kids.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy Pig. We'll try. Come on, George. This mud is so thick that our wheels keep getting stuck. Come on, George. Let's back them in. It looks like you two had quite an enjoyable ride. There's one more station in this muddy mess. Head on over. Look at all of this mud. It's such a mess. Should we do our most favorite activity of all? Jumping in muddy puddles? Come on, everyone.
Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splish, splash. And a big splash there, and a big splash there. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
Let's get muddy! This is the best muddy festival I've ever been to.